Okay, so we're just going to touch on the cut and holds. So just come over here to the keypad, hit cut and hold. So because they're closed, they'll open up. So this is something you want to always have a look at. Make sure it's, we have a knife here, utility knife. Just make sure you got a nice sharp knife on there. And on this side we have a rubber block in here that actually the knife goes up against and cuts the plastic. Always make sure that this is nice and clean. This is the cylinder rod here, but these two, so our film goes over top of here. So you always want to make sure you keep these nice and clean and free of debris. And so this is your rubber plunger. So as your film runs over top, this cut and hold retracts and push and pinches your plastic in there, and that's what holds it. So once you've got that out like this, you can retract it. So yeah, that's pretty much all it is to the cut and holds. Any other questions? Contact Tubeline at the office, or call or go online, tubeline.ca.